Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap, and in today's video I'm going to teach you destructing in JavaScript. So without any delay, let's start. So first of all, let's discuss the problem. For example, we have an array in JavaScript which have currently 3 elements, and you want to assign these values to 3 variables. So what you will do normally, you will declare a variable like a is equal to students 0, and similarly b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2. So what will be happen, for example, if I console here a and refresh my page, now I will inspect and click on console, you can see that Ali is printed. So that's pretty simple, but you can see that our JavaScript code is not looking good. So here destructing comes in. I will type here bracket like this, remove these 2 lines, and also I'm going to remove this, and now here inside this I will type a, b and c. So now the first value will be assigned to the first variable that we will assign here, and similarly the second value will be assigned to second variable. Let me first of all console this. You can see that still there is Ali, and now I'm going to console b. Here we have FineGap, and similarly if I console the c variable, so you can see that Fahim, which is the third element of our array. So friends, this is the destructing method in ES6 JavaScript. Now for example, we only want to declare 2 variables. The first variable is a and c, and we don't want to store this value in our variable. What we will do, we will simply remove this variable, and but these 2 commas are very important. And now if I copy and paste this c element here, if I open my browser, refresh, you can see that still there is Fahim. But if you will remove this double comma and convert it into single comma, what will be happen? The FineGap will be stored in our this variable. So that's why these 2 commas are very important. So it depends upon you that how much commas do you want to, how much array elements do you want to skip. Now for example, we have some another elements like YouTube, Google and TikTok, and we have declared here 2 variables like a and b. But now what I'm going to do, I will type here dot 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 and companies, and let me remove this as well from here. Okay, now I will refresh. Okay, c variable is not defined. I have to copy the companies, and now once I will refresh my page, you can see that the first element will be assigned to this variable, the second variable, the second element of this array will be assigned to this variable, but these triple dots means that remaining all of the elements, it will create an array and assign that array to our this company's variable. You don't have to access this using this because this is only an operator, but this is our actual variable that we will use, and that will contain all the remaining elements of our array in the form of array. Okay friends, now I'm going to teach you that how we can use destructing with an object. Here you can see that I have created a JavaScript object named studentinfo, in which we have some keys and some properties. So now let me teach you that how we can access them using destructing method. What I will do, I will simply type here constant, and this time I will type the mid bracket and simply copy this name property and age is equal to student info, and now in the last I will console.log to name and age, and before this I will type here student name is name and student age is age. Okay friends, you can see that student name is Fahim and student age is 26 years. So it means that you can see we can easily assign the values of these objects to our separate variables. Now we have one question, that what if I want to give another name to my variable, what you will do? Simply I'm just going to give you another example. For example, you have name, but we want to assign this value to another variable which is named student name. So that's how we will do that. I will simply copy this and paste here. Let me remove this second console. And now once I will refresh, you can see that student name is Fahim. So it means that we are mentioning that our property name, our property key that we want to access is name, and the variable that we have defined is student name. Similarly, for example, if you want to copy the designation, and from here I will type here student designation. Let me copy this and paste here. Student designation is, now if I refresh, you can see that student designation is web development. So friends, this was some information about destructuring method, and when you use React and you will use React use state hook, you will also learn you will also use this destructuring method. So friends, if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.